Yikes. Welcome back or welcome to my channel, my loves. It's your girl, Allie G, the weird, crazy, wild child. You already know. For today's video, we are going to be redecorating my bedroom space. It needs help. I'm really excited. It's been on my bucket list to redecorate and make it kind of Pinteresty. So that is what we're gonna do. And we are also doing some DIYs. So stay tuned for those. And hopefully it inspires you to make your own. Let's hop into this video. Let's get the DIYs going and let's redecorate my bedroom space because it needs help. I can hear it screaming. Help me, help me. All right, my loves. So let's go redecorate my space. Let's go.
All right, so for our first DIY, I actually found this beautiful looking tray, well, about to be beautiful, at the Goodwill. And we're going to be using white paint, these scrunchy, scrappy sponges that are meant to take as much paint off as I can because it's wood, and obviously a paintbrush, in which I later found out that it wasn't working as I was hoping it would, so I grabbed a sponge. And yes, I did about 3 layers of paint over this to get it a white solid. It took a while. Moving on to our next DIY. I have this little box that I got from my sister's iPhone and these couple of goodies from Michael's. And again, we're going over the inside of this box to cover it all in white with the sponge, and I'm hot gluing all the goodies, and it's gonna be simple as just gluing them on. That's the final product. This next DIY is gonna be as easy as filling up this vase with string lights, pretty much. The vase was from Dollar Tree and the lights were from my mom. This next DIY is going to be a green plant because I wanted greenery in my environment. So this small plant is from Michael's and the vase is from Dollar Tree. And that's it. This next DIY is going to be another vase from the Dollar Tree. Blue glassy beads from Michael's and these nice flowers that I got from Michael's as well. And they have to be fake because I just can't seem to keep real plants alive. But that is it for these DIYs. Moving on to the next. I pretty much kept this Starbucks cup, filled it up with more flowers, more fake flowers, and I painted the lid rose gold because that's my favorite color. As well as this picture frame in which I inserted a picture. For our final DIY, I got this foam roll, this chalk paint from Michael's. I ended up cutting this to my desired size. I ended up painting all the background gray using this sponge. And then I got this flower bouquet from Michael's because I'm going to be using these petals or these roses as my background. Yep, just like that. And with this string from Michael's as well, I decided to spell the word love with pearls because I just love pearls, and just hot glue them all together. My last but not least step was to put Teddy's paw print because he is love. He is the love of my life, and I love this little boy, rebel child, so much. To finish it, I'll be writing Teddy's name along with his initials to finalize it with his birth date. And that is the final product. I don't really consider this one a DIY. I just pretty much stringed these dried roses together to use it as a decorating piece. This is what my bedroom space looked like before. So I bought these things on Dee these gray sheets, because I would like that gray vibe, and anything decorative would be rose gold color or blue, because those are my two favorite colors. But this is it. This is what I finally came up with, and that's my model, Teddy. Make sure you follow him or them on Instagram. But yeah, pretty much this is what I came up with after so many hours. Oh my poor baby needs a haircut. Okay, now this is just me recording Teddy because he's just so funny sometimes. And yes, that is the teddy bear I got him for Valentine's too. I went all out on my son. Check it out on his Instagram page. It'll be there. Look at him. You're so cute. Look at you. You're so handsome. Yes, this was basically me realizing I wanted my furniture somewhere else. And I ended up liking or loving this version a lot more. And I also found more string lights and rose gold wire. And this is how it looks like now. I love it.
That is all I have for you guys today, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed my DIYs in this video. And I did have to retake the shot because literally right after I finished decorating my space how I initially had it planned, I figured other things like little furniture pieces I had, as you guys were able to see, I felt that they would look better elsewhere. So literally right after filming that, I just had the thought in my mind, and it was a super long day. The big piece that's on my headboard took so long to make, and yeah, so I was pretty tired. I didn't want to do it right then and there. The idea just came to my mind, and I was like, tomorrow I'm gonna do this. So I literally moved everything, and I love how it looks now, and I'm really happy with it. I hope it helps give you guys some ideas. I don't know. Comment down below what was your favorite DIY from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Until my who does it like this nowadays? It's like that, right? Like that. Nobody does, or like this. Nobody does this. What was I thinking? But you guys get the point. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Give this a thumbs up if you guys liked when I do DIYs, or comment down below if you guys are into redecorating your bedroom space, because you know sometimes we need a makeover. I kind of get tired of my bedroom looking a certain way. I still have so much that I'd like to do, but for now this works until I get tired of it again. Anyways, all right, enough. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching once again. I love you guys. Comment down below. Give this a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye. Peace.